Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the card type and device limits. This avoids unsupported formats and wasted time. Next, copy everything off the card to a secure location because formatting removes all data irreversibly. Once done, visually inspect the card and adapter for cracks or bent pins. If the card fails to appear in a reader, swap adapters, or try a different port. These first steps ensure the process starts from a compatible, healthy state and prevent common avoidable errors. Now you select the appropriate formatting method for your environment so the card will work reliably. If using a camera, format inside the camera. If on a computer, use disk management, disk utility, or the SD association formatter for best results. You must also pick a file system, FAT32 for cards up to 32 GB, XFAT for larger cards, because proper structure affects compatibility and performance. Finally, decide on quick versus full format. Full scans for bad sectors. Complete the process by running the format and confirming the new volume label and file system in your OS. After formatting, make sure to test the card. Copy several files, open them, and if using a camera, record a short video or take photos to verify sustained write performance. If you encounter errors or corrupted files, try a low-level format or repartition the card, and make sure to retest. If problems persist, replace the card. Physical degradation is the most common cause of repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.